Hello and welcome to Sunset Seekers. Today I'm going to be talking about how to reset your TPMS system after you've had a low pressure warning that's come up, or you've changed out a tire or something like that, or you get that little warning icon there for your TPMS. Now I'll be resetting the TPMS on my 2014 Ford F250, but this should work for most Ford vehicles, so stick around, check it out. Okay, the first thing you want to do is stick your key in the ignition, and you want to turn it to the on position. And then you want to hit your hazard light, I believe it's 3 times. Okay, actually it was 6 times for me. And then on the dash, I've got train left front tire. So I'm going to go to the front left tire here. And I'm going to let the air out of the left front tire until I hear a honk. Okay. That one's done. Now let's go back here. It says train right front tire. So let's go to the right front tire. And we will repeat the process here. I don't like removing that much air from my tire, but this is the best way to do it. Okay, now let's go see what we've got here now. And it says train right rear tire. Train left rear tire. Okay, and once you've finished that, it says training complete. Just click OK. And then you're done. And there you have it. TPMS is reset. Thank you once again so much for watching this video. And if you like this video and you found it to be helpful, please give us a like. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button so that you can follow along with us on all of our future journeys and learn along with us on things like this that we learn. And thank you for watching.